Oh, there you go.
They have Except you, Belle.
Hi, Belle. Belle tomorrow pa. Yan. And the class. And me. Ron, what up? Jana. Joy. Happy girl.
Yay! Happy birthday! I got the best cake in the world.
Oh.
In my opinion, I like these cakes way better than this. It's even a cake.
Guys, welcome to the Christian world. Mika, A while ago it says Jacob. You know that?
Oh,
It said
yeah.
Jacob.
My boyfriend was here earlier.
Really? Frankie, do you hear this? Frankie.
Yeah, from New Moon.
Oh, Taylor. Sorry na, sorry.
I meant Jacob from New Moon.
Alright.
Okay, it's mine.
Loco.